And what I did was I returned it. Yeah, not happy at all. And then after I returned it, I got the GoPro Hero 8 Black. And oh, I'm so excited again. We'll see. I'm gonna show you again another unboxing video. And sometimes it's just worth it to get what you really want. Don't think about the price sometimes because you won't be happy. That's what I learned about this experience. So it's better if you get what you really, really want and you won't be disappointed. Lesson learned. Sorry, Akaso. I really wanted to like your brand, but I know it's cheap, but how can it be an action camera if it was so choppy? I could understand if the picture isn't good enough because it's an action camera. I got a professional camera and I know that's for pictures. So I wasn't expecting anything about pictures, but this is specifically for action camera. So it shouldn't be that bad, but it was really, really bad in my opinion. So I'm really sorry about that. Wasn't impressed. It's just me being honest here. And I was steadily holding it while I was taking this video. I was going smoothly, but the outcome isn't smooth at all.